There are a couple of reasons you might get too much overspray with the sprayer. One is that you're too far away, and what you do then is you tend to crank up the fluid flow to compensate for that distance. All you get is spit like this. Spit turns into orange peel, but it also becomes overspray because there's just too much material. So one of the easiest ways I've found to adjust the gun is to set it on that detail pattern, which is the top knob on the gun. Let me turn the sprayer on. I like to spray out a dot here and see what that looks like. That actually looks pretty nice, but if I cranked it up too far, I'd be getting all kinds of spit, and this is exactly what we want to try and avoid. It's just a matter of adjusting that gun until you get a nice, clean pattern. Okay, so runs and sags can happen for a number of reasons. The main one would be too much fluid coming out of the gun. And this is the fluid control on the gun. Clockwise cuts down on the material, counterclockwise opens it up and lets out more material. So you just want to make sure your settings are right on the gun first. A couple other reasons might be that the paint's too thin. It's just running off the project because it's so thin. Or that you've applied too much. If you just go too slow and put too much material on there, even though my setting was beautiful, that atomization's terrific, I applied too much paint to the project and it sagged. One more tip you need to understand is that gravity is never neutral. It's either helping you or it's hurting you. If you got your doors or your projects vertical and you spray against it, you know in your mind you're going to have sags and runs. So to avoid that, you tend to spray too light, and too light becomes orange peel. How to fix that? Lay it down. Gravity's now helping me. It's pulling that finish down, but since it has nowhere to go, it spreads, and it's that spread that makes it level. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Another thing you should know about this gun, it's great for applying stain to your project. Anytime you've got a complex project, you might have details or carvings or intricate parts, the spray gun makes it easy to get stain into those parts. Water-based, oil-based, it doesn't matter. So on this project, you see what I did first is I sprayed the interior of the cabinet. That's the hard part. After you spray stain on, the idea is to spray it on slightly heavy, wipe off the excess, comes out even every time. If you need more information, make sure you check your owner's manual or live chat us at Earlex.com. Thanks for watching.